teaching pool at Park Road this morning to see the works that have started this week to fix a leak. The pool is losing an estimated 10,000 litres of water a day as a result of this major leak. It's part of a backlog of maintenance issues that we inherited when we took back leisure services in-house under direct democratic control in October 2024. I'm pleased to let you know that we are investing £3.6 million in our leisure services and sites across Haringey to make sure that they're safe, well maintained and clean for all residents to use. The maintenance works at the teaching pool are going to take 8 weeks to complete, and after that children and young people from across the borough will be able to return to this much loved facility to be able to learn the life-saving skill of swimming. In other positive news, the covers for the Lido are going to be installed between the 10th and the 13th of June. Preparatory works will take place to install the electrics and groundworks in the week before, from the 2nd to the 8th of June. As a council, we're taking major steps forward to upgrade our leisure sites across Haringey and make sure you, as residents, have better experience at each of them.